I am highly delighted on behalf of the governors to be here to witness the inauguration of this very important committee in our national history as a party and as a country. The national chairman has spoken very, very well. The pedigree and capacity of the convention committee leadership is never in doubt because they have been doing it, they have done it before, and we believe we will do it very well. The governors are with you, members of this party, and of course, members of this important committee. We are with the National Working Committee. We appreciate the sacrifice they are making. And of course, the way and manner they have brought consensus to bear on the way forward. But certainly time has come when we must flex our muscles. We are not cowards and we are not afraid of anybody. We are capable of navigating this party beyond the shenanigans, beyond the arrogance and impunity of some people. We cannot continue to keep quiet and allow people to take us to the slaughterhouse. That is their job. And our job is to make sure we don't go to slaughterhouse. And we are working as governors and working committee to ensure that. The key word is discipline. We will no longer allow or tolerate anybody to take us for granted. It has to stop. Enough is enough. We are not going to tolerate any longer. Yes, consensus. Yes, accommodation. But accommodation cannot show stupidity. And definitely, Mr. Chairman, we are with you on this journey as governors. And we will show that we believe in the capacity of the regulator, INEC. We are confident that it is a very virile and good organization, driven by the rule of law. This convention is on course, our party is on course to make sure we have our party. If anybody wants to form a faction of fools, we will allow him to go and do it. Thank you very much, Mr. Chairman. We appreciate it.
I will be active until the end of this assembly, I can promise you. And be assured that the spirit of members of the caucus have woken up to the extent that they know that their party is behind them and they are ready to stand with the party. I wish us success in our next convention. Thank you, sir.
Want to mention the leadership of this committee so that they can come out, the inauguration and the presentation.
On behalf of the National Committee, Working Committee and NEC of our party, and by the powers conferred on me, I hereby inaugurate this committee to be chaired by His Excellency Ahmadu Umar Fintri, a committee of 119 members. Congratulations. Well, you know, this is the symbol
Now is the president
of the National Convention flag. I'm presenting this flag as a symbol that this committee will swing into action from now, from this moment. Thank you.
PDP, power to the people. The 2025 Elective National Convention Organizing Committee has just been inaugurated.
NWC, Your Excellency, the chairman of our forum, the PDP Governors Forum, distinguished Senator Abdul Qadir Mohammed, my bosom friend, the Governor of Oyo, Sheyi Makinde, the Vice Chairman of the 119-man Convention Committee, the Deputy Governor of Osun State, who is standing in for Governor Adeleke, and the Deputy Governor of Enugu, who is standing in for making this day possible. My gratitude goes to the NWC under the leadership of the chairman and our members within and outside the country who have trusted and believed in us to lead this convention this time around, after the last one that I've equally chaired in 2022. We know and we're quite aware that a lot of expectation is expected of us and in this convention. And we're bringing into bear our wealth of experience that we have come with in the last convention. And we will even put more and do better to ensure that we give you a credible and better convention in Ibadan. We are going to ensure that we deepen more in our assignment, drawing from the constitution of this party to make sure that we create consensus and we reconcile some of our members so that we can go to Ibadan hitch-free and for us to give birth to credible and more better NWC that will see us through to 2027 election. This, I will do it with all humility, but you know also I can do the other way. I want to tell you, every stakeholder in this party is my friend, but I will not place this party or our relationship above this party. I will deliver on my assignment. I will ensure what is expected of me is what is done, and I accept, along with 119 members, this assignment on behalf of our party with all humility. And now I have declared the Secretariat open and I have kick-started the work of this convention until we deliver what is expected of us by the 15th of November in Ibadan. Please, I want to urge members of this committee that we are working hard to ensure we break us into subcommittees. Every one of us should make sure you leave your comfort zone, you make sacrifice, and ensure you are always available for every meeting so that we can plan and ensure that we deliver the best, the fairest, and the most credible convention ever, so that we can open a gateway for some of us that have shifted aside, because I still believe there is no ADC in this country. It will soon fizzle away, so long as we get our acts together, so long as we do what is expected of us right, and we will still work with them and call them back to this party. And I know also, if we do the kind of magic with which we conducted the last convention in 2022, even the APC will have nowhere than to come back to to PDP. So, ladies and gentlemen, this convention is not chaired by a learned. It's chaired by a credible a resolute, a fearless chairman. So I want to ask some of us that please, let's respect this party that has positioned us into where we have found ourselves individually in this country. Let us not be taking all our fight to the media. Please, the Secretariat is at Legacy House. It is open, I am open, and I'm ready to accommodate all your fears. Whatever you will ask for. The Secretary of the BOT have said it all. We are not going to stop anybody from contesting whatever position that you deem fit to contest. But then you have to do it with decorum. Come and buy the form. We'll sell it for you. Go and test your mind. Go and test your popularity. And the delegates will be open. If you want, you can start going around the states to do your campaign. But to be taking all our matters to the media as if we have no leadership of the party, I think is becoming too embarrassing to even those who are doing it. Please, let's respect ourselves, let's respect each other, and ensure that whatever we are doing, it is what will take this party to its greater height. I thank you very much, but I want to assure you that the Secretariat is declared open now and is functioning, and it is ready to deliver. Thank you, and God bless you.
Give a vote of thanks. Your Excellency, the chairman of our great party, Ambassador Ilia Damagon, Your Excellency, the governor of Bauchi State, the governor of Oyo State, Osun State, Adamawa State, and all our excellencies here. The chairman of BOT will be represented by the secretary of BOT, and all the party faithfuls, member of National Working Committee here present. Thank you for coming. Today is the day that the Lord has made, and it shows the whole world that PDP.